Do you need a new roof and want to know the price before you call a roofer? I'm going to walk you through your options so you can figure out what's the best roof for you and exactly what it's going to cost. I'm Bretz, the founder of Excel Roofing, and I'm here with Charlie. He's the roofing dog, and we're going to explain all of this to you. Let me set Charlie down so I can talk. So I've been a roofer for over 35 years, installed tens of thousands of roofs, and I'm here to give you the straight information you need. The cost to install a new asphalt shingle roof in the Sheridan and Buffalo areas ranges from $6,000 to $12,000, with $9,000 being our average. Most homes in Sheridan and Buffalo have asphalt shingle roofs, and if you need a new roof, asphalt shingles are probably your first choice. The main reason they're so popular is simple. They're the most economical option out there. But like a lot of things in life, there are choices. T-locks and 3-tabs have either been discontinued or no longer being installed in Wyoming. They just don't hold up to the weather that we see here in the Sheridan and Buffalo area. The better option is a laminate or dimensional asphalt shingle. Economical and by far the most popular. Then there's the top-of-the-line asphalt shingles. They're thick, heavy, and more expensive. We don't use a lot of these here in the Sheridan area. Again, the cost to put on a new asphalt shingle roof in Sheridan and Buffalo ranges from $6,000 to $12,000. $9,000 is our average. If you got a big ranch home with a large, complicated, steep roof, it's going to run more than that. The biggest downside to an asphalt shingle is its life expectancy. You're looking at anywhere from 15 to 35 years, depending on the shingle. They can also get damaged by hail and blown off in the wind, both things we know a thing or two about here in Wyoming. In the Sheridan and Buffalo area, the real-world life expectancy of an asphalt shingle roof is typically between 15 to 25 years. And don't get fooled by that phrase, lifetime warranty. Coverage is solid for the first 10 years, but after that, it drops off significantly. Some manufacturers won't even pay to have blown-off shingles reinstalled. They just ship you the shingles and leave the labor cost on you. Another option worth considering is a metal roof. They're comparable in cost to asphalt, and if you only have one layer of asphalt shingles, we can often install the metal right over the existing roof. Check out our metal roof video or ask your project manager about this option. So what makes a roof more expensive? A few things: the size of the roof, the material choose, and access to your home. If we can't get a dump trailer alongside of your house or use a conveyor truck to load the shingles up top, we're hand loading everything, and that adds to the cost. Steep roofs are also harder to work on, and that factors into the price as well. Why are some bids cheaper than others? If you're comparing bids from established, reputable companies, the prices are going to be pretty close. When somebody comes in way under, it's usually because they're cutting corners. They're using cheaper materials, they don't have a license, no insurance, and no office. We've got a name for these guys in the industry: chuck in a truck. These are the people who give roofing a bad name. They want cash up front, usually before anything's in writing. They skip the building permit, and good luck getting them to come back if you've ever got a leak. If you want more information, you should visit our Learning Center. We have a lot of great videos about both asphalt and metal roofs, and we have comparison videos also about which is best. If you haven't already, give us a call to schedule an appointment or use our easy online scheduling tool. Choose the day and time that works best for you, and we'll be there. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you on your project.